If you want to download iCloud app on Windows 10 computer or laptop, first click this search and just type Microsoft Store, then click open. Now just click this profile and sign into your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail, Skype or your Xbox account. You just need to use any of your Microsoft account. It doesn't matter. In case if you doesn't have any Microsoft account, just create a new one here. It's completely free. I'm also using the free Microsoft account. Then after you created, just click this search and just type iCloud and search. Now here you can see iCloud. Just expand that. Here you can see Apple, so it's official. So just click install. Here you can see it's downloading right now. It's like 304 megabytes. So it's installed. Just click open. Now enter your Windows PC pin. So click get started and here sign into your Apple ID. That's it. So now just minimize this and click this search and type iCloud. So here you can see you can add this to start and taskbar. Now just minimize this. Here you can see it's added and here also you can see. And if you want to add this icon to desktop, just click this search and just type run run and open this. Now type shell : apps folder like this and OK. Now just scroll down and find iCloud. So here it is. Now just right click here and create shortcut and S. Now here you can see iCloud shortcut. If you click this, it will open up the app like this. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch these videos.